I love Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner so much that now I buy it in bulk. And I buy it in bulk for two reasons. One, I can refill my sprayer, so when I'm just mopping with the Bona mop, I can use it that way. And the second reason is that this is also one of the recommended cleaners for a Roomba mop. And I do have the Roomba i5 vacuum and mop, and this is what I use in that as well. So it works both ways depending on if I'm doing the mopping or the Roomba's doing the mopping for me. This is my number one choice. Let me show you why. And do you see all those no's right there? That is exactly why. I feel really comfortable having this on my floor. We have kids and cats, and I want something that's really good for my whole family. It also has all of these it also has the certifications that I want to see, and that feels really, really good too. And finally, it just works. I don't have a sticky residue when I use this. It dries up really quickly. It doesn't have a strong smell, and I can use it on my hardwood floors and my kitchen linoleum, and it works well on both beautifully.